We proudly present the Green Machine by the ElectraTherm company, which transforms process and waste heat from the cogeneration units of biogas stations into electricity. It uses only hot water to produce electricity. Green Machine technology does not use combustion products. In the following presentation, we demonstrate how Green Machine technology works. We show the simplicity of its installation, some building specifications, the normal economic return, and the main contribution to cogeneration units. The Green Machine works on the principle of the Organic Rankine Cycle for the utilization of process and waste heat, which is then converted into electrical energy. The Green Machine unit by the ElectraTherm company produces fuel-free, emission-free electricity from waste and process heat in the form of hot water from 77 degrees Celsius. The Green Machine unit needs at least 300 kilowatts of heat in the form of hot water for its operation, and it has a regulated output of 20 to 65 kilowatts. The table shows the various performance metrics of the Green Machine. Schematic diagram of the function of the Green Machine. The working medium, which is the liquid Genetron R245FA, enters the circulation pump in liquid form. The liquid medium is discharged from the circulation pump into the evaporator, which heat is transmitted into the working fluid. The evaporator heats the working fluid to boiling point and thus transforms it into steam. Steam enters the screw expander, which converts the energy of the steam into mechanical energy. The screw expander spins the generator using a belt transmission, which produces electrical energy. The steam is then cooled by cold water in the condenser, and it condenses back into liquid form. Then the pump delivers the working fluid back to the evaporator, and the whole cycle is continuously repeated. The animation shows the input and output of hot water into the Green Machine, and we also see a specific connection of these inputs and outputs. All pipes are insulated in order to eliminate heat loss. Hot water entering the Green Machine passes thermal energy through the evaporator to the working fluid and thus transforms it into high-pressure steam. The steam continues to the twin screw expander, which converts the thermal energy into mechanical energy by rotational movement. Look at the actual shape of the twin screw expander. The screw expander spins the generator using a belt transmission. Steam coming from the expander is then cooled with water in the condenser and in liquid form is drained into the container of the working medium. The pump injects the working fluid from the receiving tank into the preheater, from which it subsequently passes into the evaporator, where it is vaporized. This entire process is constantly repeated. Once again, the animation first shows the output and input of cooling water from the Green Machine. We also see the specific connection of these inputs and outputs, including the cooler, which reduces the temperature of the cooling water for maximum cooling of the working medium. The heart of the Green Machine is a patented twin screw expander, which represents a dramatic transition from the traditional ORC design types based on the expansion of steam in a turbine, which requires high temperatures in the form of combustion products of more than 350 degrees for its process. As the Green Machine functions only with hot water, it offers significant advantages. Combustion products are not used. Only hot water is used. high system efficiency at very low speeds. The lubrication system is contained within the working fluid. It does not need any traditional lubrication system. Both low speed and low temperature operation of the Green Machine, 3-to-1 transfer without gearbox or oil pump, low operating costs, simple design and very easy connection, the same as for a heating system. Proven technology with more than 15 years of operation. We now show the complete hydraulic connection of the Green Machine to the Jenbacher JMS 412GS BL cogeneration unit. Hot water comes from the cooling of the engine block. The water is heated through the flue gas heat exchanger and continues to the Green Machine, from which the cooled water is returned to the hydraulic circuit of the cogeneration unit. General view of the connection of inputs and outputs of hot and cold water of the Green Machine, including its own cooling system. You see here a standardized connection of the Green Machine with the Jenbacher engine and cogeneration unit. See also the standardized connection diagram of the Green Machine with motor and Jenbacher cogeneration unit, including a hydraulic connection diagram of the cogeneration unit with connection to the Green Machine. The Green Machine converts roughly 9.5 to 11% of low-temperature thermal energy into electricity. The conversion output is dependent on the inlet temperature of the hot water, the quantity of heat, and the hot water flow rate achieved. Among the technological advantages of the Green Machine are: combustion products are not used as the medium, but only hot water from 77 degrees Celsius. The Green Machine has a modular and scalable design with outdoor installation implementation. The Green Machine has an automated management and control system. It has a simple connection, namely to the hydraulic hot water circuit of any cogeneration unit. Simple installation, taking a maximum of 4 days. The actual interruption of the cogeneration unit operation is only 6 hours, and installation can be performed during regular servicing of the cogeneration unit. The Green Machine has only 3 main components with moving parts: the circulation pump, the screw expander, and the generator. The Green Machine is cooled by air or water. Net production of electricity without combustion process. No toxic fumes. The Green Machine has a remote monitoring and control system. It also has an automatic starting and stopping system. Important operating parameters and also parameters which relate to the generation of electricity are displayed on the control panel of the Green Machine. These include the temperature of inlet hot water, cooling water temperature, gross production of electricity, and the net production of electricity which is supplied to the network. Electrical energy generated from the Green Machine is used to cover its own technological consumption of the biogas station, to cover its own technological consumption of the cogeneration unit, to cover its own consumption of the premises of the biogas station, and possibly for sale in the network. Examples of reference installations of the Green Machine in your vicinity: biogas station in Moravska Trebova, chemical factory of the Fosfa Joint Stock Company, biogas station of the Agricomp Company, biogas station of the Agricomp Company, Zemplitska Templika biogas station, the biogas plant in Strasnica, the biogas plant in Schlapanov, the biogas plant in Treschwitz, the Bempte biogas plant, The economic benefits of the Green Machine are an increase in the overall efficiency of the cogeneration center of a biogas station. Test of hourly output and efficiency of the cogeneration unit of the biogas plant in Stražnice with the Green Machine and without the Green Machine. Installed capacity of Jenbacher cogeneration unit is 889 kilowatts. In these tables and charts are displayed the test results when a biogas plant cogeneration unit ran for 1 hour without the Green Machine, and then again when it ran for 1 hour with the Green Machine, while maintaining the same technological consumption of the biogas plant. The efficiency of the cogeneration unit has increased from the initial 92.6% to 98.1%. The test was conducted in the winter when the efficiency of a cogeneration unit is generally the highest. As an example of the guaranteed efficiency of a biogas plant cogeneration unit, we show an extract from the technical framework conditions of a Jenbacher cogeneration unit, where the manufacturer gives performance parameters depending on the ambient temperature and the given contractual parameters. According to these technical conditions, the overall performance of the cogeneration unit is calculated with a tolerance of plus or minus 8%. Return on investment. It is evident that our experience from the existing installations allows us to determine for you with an accuracy of 5% the actual results of electricity production in a biogas plant, depending on the parameters given by you for your biogas plant. For our test case, we chose a biogas plant with an output of 1,000 kilowatts. For the Green Machine, we have 600 kilowatts of heat available. Disposable hot water temperature at the inlet is 95 degrees Celsius. Hot water flow rate is 10 liters per second. The expected number of operating hours of the Green Machine will be 82,000 hours per year. According to the experience from the reference installations, we show a comparison of approximate electricity consumption of the cooling of the cogeneration unit with the installed Green Machine technology and without it. The average saving on the cooling of a cogeneration unit amounts to an annual average of at least 4.5 kilowatts. Output and revenue. In this test case of the installation of a Green Machine, we want to show how it is possible to achieve the maximum performance and efficiency from your biogas plant. Net output per hour of the Green Machine is 41 kilowatts at these usual input values on the biogas plant, with an output of 1 megawatt of electricity, where available heat for the Green Machine is 600 kilowatts of heat and the hot water inlet temperature is 95 degrees Celsius. Production of electricity from the Green Machine, including savings on the cooling of the cogeneration units, amounts to 373,100 kilowatts annually. According to the results of the reference installations, the projected increase in efficiency of a cogeneration unit per hour of electric power generation is 30 kilowatts, thanks to the installation of the Green Machine. The estimated production of electricity from the Green Machine with the increased efficiency of the cogeneration unit is 619,100 kilowatts. At the normal purchase price of electricity, at 0.170 euros per kilowatt, the annual economic benefit amounts to more than 105,000 euros, and the return on investment in the Green Machine technology is 2.75 years. The Green Machine service plan and standard service time operations during a 2-year operational period, for which period a guarantee on the Green Machine is provided. Based on many years of experience and proven operational data, we have established the periodic service operations. Service operations are contractually guaranteed by a separate agreement. These service operations are carried out only by contract and trained service organizations. To the installation of Green Machine technology by the ElectraTherm company, you can transform waste and process heat from the cogeneration unit into electrical energy without the need for fuel. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to the possibility of a personal presentation to you and to the installation of a green machine in your biogas plant.